Day 3, just woke up, well, an hour ago. Phil's still trying to get to grips with his iPhone, which he's just been doing for about the last hour and a half. So where are we heading to today then, Phil?
We're going towards, I will tell you a second, because I have downloaded the route, but I can't upload the route. So it is. We go back page, and we go to routes. It's still recording.
Hey, ask Siri. She's pretty good.
Ask Siri, yeah, she's good, isn't she?
Which is where we're to now.
No, sorry, we're not where. Yeah, it is where we're to, isn't it? Rowan.
Yeah,
and
Rowan.
We're going down to a place called. Where's she gone? It's gone. It's gone.
So we don't know where we're going.
We don't know where we're going.
But we will keep you posted. Alright, Phil.
Yeah.
Shall I stop recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Day 3 of our ride, and it's raining. So yeah, it's pretty wet this morning. So heading for about another 60 miles today. Hopefully it'll clear up.
So we've just come down this track and we had a small bike failure. And over to Mark. Mark, what happened?
Well, I've lost one of the bolts came loose on the pannier on the front, and we lost the spacer, which is in there. And then we went looking, and old Hawkeye Sanger found it.
Yeah, rock on.
Very lucky to find it.
So this bag came off the front, and we're doing a tasty 20k.
Now we're going to check them all.
He's going to check them all now, tighten them all up. It's going to happen at some point. And any comments from Mr. Richards?
Oh, that's better. I needed that. Always one, isn't there?
Always one. But yeah, we fixed the bike and we're back on the road.
That's what makes it the adventure.
Certainly makes it an adventure.
80 miles.
Out of the 3,000 fishermen, that's the first fish we've seen. Beauty. Well done. Look at that.
Stop for a coffee, cup of tea.
Quick cupper. Cup of
Nick's
chow.
in charge of hydrations.
Yeah, like a cup of chow.
So come away from the canal, and it's just completely straight. Just miles and miles like this.
Sanger overtakes Thomas! He's on it!
So stopping for a bit of lunch. We are 30 miles in.
Kettle's out again.
Kettle's out again. Quite a nice little spot. Heading towards Redon, about 20k away.
Really worry about the ones that come through the rims. What? You know what I
Have
mean?
you checked on the gym?
Yeah, you want the rim. You want the rim.
No, I mean, you haven't got nothing on it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Pump the tire, pump it up. Come on, Nick, so a little dance at you again.
I said, pump up the tyre.
Pump it up a little more.
Gotta get this win on the dance floor.
Pump that tyre, Phil Sanger.
Come on, Phil.
Come on, Phil. You got a better wrist action than that Sanger.
You make an habit of this now.
This is your second puncture in 2 days.
If we're cycling too hard for you, just say.
I don't want no more punctures after this.
No, we don't want you to get none either.
Pump it up a little more.
Pump it up with that little pump a little more. Do you want to buy my track pump?
You got one?
No, very fuck. You'd think so though. Met in luggage I got. I've got to keep these things in here. Do you want to put your shorts in a tumble dryer?
You in Sanders down La Rochelle.
La Rochelle.
Remember that film? It's an Aussie film about a bloke who just was rock hard.
So we didn't go for the tent tonight.
Well, me and Nick were keen. Soft lad here decided to come here.
I'm sure you was keen. Was you keen for a tent, Nick?
Well, just want to dry my shoes in.
What's arrived? Buffalo Grill.
Cold Pepsi. What's that about?
Cold Pepsi. So,
Bonjour, no chicken.
buffaloes. I reckon, Nick. We
Handsome.
got the lot on me.
Yeah, look at that.
Winning. Day 3 feast. And this is why we didn't put the tent up. Lots of rain and lots more rain to come for the next few days. See you on the next episode.